Some people ask me how come I don't actually sell this feng shui item to them. Well, the fact is that feng shui item under normal context itself, which is classified as a feng shui or even anything that is geometry, eventually is they also use the element of this fire element and using it to increase or produce or clash in terms of energy. So the fact is that this is a very normal way of using four pillars or even things related to feng shui to maximize or clashing the energy. But in the art of this Qi Men Dun Jia, it's more complicated than that. If I'm going to use one element to create or increase energy, then in the other side of the story, whereby in our life, it's going to destroy, it's going to create problem for somebody within the family. So it's not just inserting the item and buying a certain item or even the jade or crystal that it will help to solve the problem. In the eyes of Qi Men Dun Jia, it's far much more complicated than that. In a normal four pillars feng shui, it is only kind of two dimension. But in the art of this Qi Men Dun Jia, it's three dimension, four dimension, fifth dimension. So much so that you have to think from all the angles, so much so that you can actually pinpoint what is the best thing to do. Sometimes using and buying a jade, buying a feng shui item, not just it will not help you, but it will actually create problem for you. I have cases whereby some of my people that they come to me, they say that their health gets worse, and because of buying a jade itself or buying a crystal itself, you see, and after I do a calculation, I realized that during that year, their earth element is so powerful, so strong that on top of the crystal comes in, on top of the jade that comes in, it increases the earth element energy, and because of that, the earth energy is also with their health situation, and this increased their health problem tremendously in terms of 300%, 500% in that particular year. So after that, I told them, please remove the jade, please remove the crystal, and within the next few months, their health gets better in that aspect. You see, so this is something whereby we need to understand that it's not so simple as buying a jade item or a feng shui item. And I don't really preach because most of the items out there, they are really kind of very commercial. When I say commercial, means that they are out there to make money from you, which is kind of sad because in the industry itself, we should be helping people, not trying to rip people off. You see, but of course that's the traditional method of doing things, whereby modernly we should not be doing it, and I don't practice it and I don't preach it. Even of all my students, I will tell them, please do not use this as a method of trying to make money from other people, because whatever money you earn is likely going to come back to somewhere else and it's not going to stay with you forever. You see, so ultimately I always you have to remember this. Feng Shui item is just part of the equation, but it's not the only solution. There are many ways to solve a problem in terms of any situation. And of course, action is also important. That means what you do, what you don't do, what is the activity that you do, how you approach the subject, how you tackle the things will have a lot of difference. So eventually is this, pay attention to this Feng Shui item. Do you really need it? If not, then should not be. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video.